following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Cook County, Illinois, and Lake County, Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Cook County in Northeast Illinois, Northwestern Lake County in Northwest Indiana until 2:30 a.m. Thursday at 8:15 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. 2 to 3 inches of rain has already fallen across portions of the area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Berwyn, Chatham, Chicago, Cicero, East Chicago, Forest Park, Lincoln Park, Midway Airport, Montrose Harbor, Navy Pier, Northerly Island, Oak Park, Stickney, Whiting, and Bridgeport. Other locations affected: Hawthorne Park, Lincoln Park Zoo, Soldier Field, Museum Campus, McCormick Place in the Northerly Island, The Loop, University of Chicago, Museum of Science and Industry, University of Illinois, Chicago. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.